How to find your Epic Games email and password. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site store.epicgames.com. It will land you on this interface. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in here, click on your profile at the top right. Head over to Account. It will land you on this interface. In this page, you will directly get to see your email address. But if it is not available to you, then what you want to do is open the new tab and then head over to epicgames.com. In here, you need to find the previous option that you have used to sign into your account. It will make a lot easier to find your email address. Moving forward, if you don't remember your password, then what you want to do is first of all enter your email address and then simply click on Forgot Your Password. One mail will be sent to your email address. That way, you will also be able to find your email address and also reset your password. And that is how you also will be able to find your password. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial on how to find the Epic Games password and email address. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.